The Slayton family has always been a hot topic for fans of the hit TLC reality show 1000 LB Sisters, but recently a surprising conversation has taken over social media. For years, viewers followed Amy Slayton's journey as she battled her weight while raising her two young sons, dealing with family drama, and trying to balance her health with her personal life. Now, a new twist has shocked loyal fans. Many are asking the same question. Is Amy Slayton actually smaller than her sister Mishti Slayton? For those who don't know, Mishti hasn't always been a central figure on the show like Amy and Tammy, boo. Her appearances have left a lasting impression. Fans remember Mishti as being outspoken, emotional, and at times brutally honest about her sister's struggles. Mishti herself has also struggled with weight issues over the years, though her journey has been less public compared to her reality TV family's siblings. However, it looks like things have changed, and the conversation about size, weight loss, and transformation has shifted in unexpected ways. Amy's journey is well documented. From the beginning, she wanted a healthier life not only for herself but for her children. Her two sons became her biggest motivation. She went through weight loss surgery, took her recovery seriously, and while she experienced ups and downs, she consistently showed that she was determined to change. Still, the focus of the show often stayed on Tammy, whose life-threatening obesity, health battles, and fiery personality pulled much of the spotlight. Amy's transformation, although significant, was sometimes overshadowed by Tammy's rollercoaster storyline. But recently, photos and rumors circulating online have reignited interest in Amy's progress. Many fans were stunned when they noticed Amy appearing slimmer than ever. What shocked them more was the comparison being made with Mishti. Mishti Slayton, unlike Amy and Tammy, doesn't post as frequently online or appear regularly in updates, so her progress has been more mysterious. When Mishti appeared on past seasons, she was often seen as supportive but sometimes critical of her sister's health choices. At the time, Mishti looked bigger than Amy but smaller than Tammy, fitting somewhere in the middle of the sisters' weight spectrum. Yet as fans analyze new appearances, screenshots, and social media updates, a shocking question emerges: has Amy now surpassed Mishti in terms of weight loss? If so, this marks a monumental shift in the family dynamic and how fans perceive Amy's dedication to her health journey. Speculation grew stronger after fans began comparing side-by-side photos of Amy and Mishti at family gatherings. One viral post showed Amy looking noticeably slimmer in a patterned dress, while Mishti appeared fuller in a casual outfit. The photo sparked thousands of comments, with fans debating who was actually smaller. Some argued that Amy's face and body structure now appear more defined, suggesting she's shed a significant amount of weight. Others insisted that body shape and posture can be deceiving in photos, and without official numbers, it's impossible to know for sure. Still, the conversation won't stop. For long-time viewer, seeing Amy potentially smaller than Mishti is nothing short of shocking because it signals how far Amy has come. One of the most powerful aspects of this discussion is how it highlights the Slayton family's ongoing struggles with obesity and mixed results of their journeys. While Tammy has achieved enormous progress in recent years, even shocking fans by walking independently and posting confident TikToks, Amy has been quietly making her own strides. Her transformation may not always be front-page news, but if she is truly smaller than Mishti now, it proves just how serious she has become about keeping the weight off. Some fans believe this might even inspire Mishti to step into the spotlight more openly and share her own health battle with the public. After all, the Slayton sisters' stories are interconnected, and seeing Amy surpass Mishti could add fuel to Mishti's motivation to push harder. Critics, however, are cautious. Some argue that comparing siblings in terms of size can be harmful. They point out that everyone's body responds differently to diet, exercise, and surgery, and weight isn't the only measurement of success. Fans should celebrate Amy's health improvements without turning it into a competition between her and Mishti. But in the world of reality TV and social media, comparisons are inevitable. Fans thrive on speculation, and whether fair or not, the "who is smaller" debate has taken over online discussions about the Slayton family. The question also raises another point: how will this play out in the show itself? 1000 LB Sisters thrives on dramatic twists, shocking revelations, and emotional family dynamics. If Amy is indeed smaller than Mishti, TLC producers might seize the opportunity to highlight this storyline in an upcoming G season. Viewer would get to see Mishti's reaction, Amy's pride, and perhaps even Tammy's thoughts on the matter. Fans know that Tammy often has strong opinions about her siblings' progress, and the family's interactions over weight loss have created some of the most memorable episodes. Watching the sisters acknowledge this new shift in their health journeys could create powerful, emotional television, but beyond the show and the speculation, this development speaks volumes about Amy's resilience. Many fans remember when Amy was criticized for slipping into old habits after her weight loss surgery. Others doubted whether she could maintain her progress while juggling the stress of motherhood, relationship struggles, and the overwhelming spotlight of reality TV fame. Yet here she is, surprising everyone. Amy may not always share every detail of her journey online, but the visual results speak louder than words. If she's indeed smaller than Mishti, it's not just a physical achievement, it's symbolic of Amy proving her doubters wrong. Mishti, on the other hand, hasn't been as open about her weight struggles. Her role in the show has been more supportive, stepping in during family conflicts or offering commentary about her sister's decisions. Some fans wish she would share more of her personal journey. If Amy has overtaken her in weight loss, it could push Mishti into the spotlight whether she likes it or not. Viewer would naturally want to know Mishti's response and whether she plans to make changes in her own lifestyle. Reality TV thrives on family rivalries, and though the Slaytons aren't competing, the narrative of Amy being smaller than Mishti has already created an intriguing storyline for fans. At the heart of all this is the emotional impact weight loss and body image have on the Slayton family. Growing up in Kentucky, the sisters shared similar struggles with food addiction, limited resources, and generational habits around eating. They've often spoken about how their upbringing contributed to their obesity, making their transformations even more significant. For Amy to potentially surpass Mishti now is more than just about numbers on a scale. It shows the depth of change that can happen when someone truly commits to their health. It's a moment of victory for Amy, even if it's surrounded by speculation and online debates. As fans eagerly await new seasons and updates from the sisters, one thing is certain, Amy Slayton's journey isn't slowing down. Whether or not she is officially smaller than Mishti, the conversation itself proves just how far she has come and how invested fans are in her progress. For Mishti, this could mark a turning point. Will she embrace the spotlight and share her own health update? Or will she remain private, leaving fans to speculate? Either way, the comparison between Amy and Mishti has become one of the most talked about topics in the 1000 LB Sisters community. The Slaytons have always kept viewers hooked with their raw honesty, emotional struggles, and shocking transformations. This latest twist is no different. Whether fans are celebrating Amy's triumph, questioning Mishti's current health, or simply enjoying the drama, the buzz around the sisters shows no signs of fading. For now, the question remains, has Amy Slayton really become smaller than Mishti? Fans will be watching closely for the answer, and one thing is certain, this family will continue to surprise us all. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.